Hi, this is Vijay Ramakrishna, PGT Physical Science in MJP AP PCWR School, Summers. Okay, students, the substances like soap substances and pickles we not store in copper vessels and brass vessels. Why don't we store like soap substances in copper vessels and metal vessels? So let us know why don't we store pickles in metal vessels. So by knowing an activity, we can understand this. So let us discuss the activity. So that activity is reaction of acid and base with metal. Reaction of acid and base with metal. Let us see the activity. The aim of the activity. The aim of the activity is reaction of acid and base with metals. Okay, once again, the aim of the activity is reaction of acids and bases with metals. To perform this activity, we need some materials required. Let us see the materials required. Test tube, delivery tube, glass tub, candle, soap, water, dilute HCl and zinc granules. These are the materials required to perform this activity. Let us see the procedure of this activity. At first, take retort stand and fix a test tube to the retort stand, and then take hydrochloric acid. Take 10 ml of hydrochloric acid into the test tube. Then add zinc granules to the test tube. Then the neck of the test tube is covered with single hole rubber cock, which is connected through delivery tube. The free end of the delivery tube is kept into soap water. So we observe a gas is evolved from the surface of the zinc granules that is absorbed in the soap water. There is some bubbles are evolved from the soap water. When we take a flammable candle nearby the bubbles, the gas burns with pop-up sound. Observation. In this activity, we observe a colorless and odorless gas comes out along the delivery tube, and bubbles are formed in the soap solution. The gas evolved burn with pop-up sound. Inference. Since the gas evolved from the tube, it gives pop-up near the burning candle. It confirms to be hydrogen gas produced by the zinc granules and dilute hydrochloric acid solution. When an acid reacts with metal, there is a gas evolved, that is hydrogen gas. From this activity we observe a metal is added to acid, a gas is evolved, that gas is hydrogen gas. Okay? When a metal is added to acid, a gas is evolved, that gas is hydrogen gas. Do this activity by replacing hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide. That means replacing an acid with base. Again do this activity. So in this situation, when a metal is added to a base, there is also we observe a gas is evolved. That gas is hydrogen gas. Okay, that gas is also hydrogen gas. That means both acids and bases react with metals. There is a gas evolved. That gas is hydrogen gas. Okay, let us see the chemical equations. The chemical equations of this reaction. Okay, let us see the chemical reaction of this equation. Okay. reaction of acid with metal. So 2HCl plus Zn gives rise to ZnCl2 plus H2 gas. Okay, here aqueous solution of HCl. Zinc is a solid, is a metal. When acid reacts with zinc, a salt and a gas is formed. Okay, the gas is hydrogen gas. Okay, this is the reaction, chemical reaction of acid with metal. Then it forms zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Okay, zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. So replace this acid with any acid. That means sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, take any acid. The products are a salt and a gas. Corresponding salt and a gas. That gas is hydrogen gas. That gas is always hydrogen gas. The evolved gas is hydrogen gas. Okay. And next, let us see the reaction of base with metal. So take a base, NaOH, sodium hydroxide is a base, and zinc is a metal, and a base reacts with metal. A salt is formed, Na2, ZnO2, and a gas is generated, that is hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. Okay? When a base reacts with metal, so Na2, ZnO2, sodium zincate, this is called sodium zincate, is a salt, and hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay, this is the reaction of a base with metal. A base with metal. Okay, students? So, if a metal reacts with a base and an acid, there is always a gas is evolved, that is hydrogen gas. We confirm the hydrogen gas by doing confirmation test with a burning flammable candle nearby the gas. It burns with pop-up sound. Then it identified like as hydrogen gas. Then it identified like as hydrogen gas. That is the confirmation test of hydrogen gas. Okay, students? So this is the reaction of acid and base with metal. So that's why we cannot store pickles and sour substances in brass and copper vessels. Brass and copper are metals. The metal react with the acid present in the pickles and sour substances and releases hydrogen gas. That's why we cannot store that such type of substances which is containing acids in a metal vessel. Okay, we cannot store sour substances and pickles in metal vessels. Okay, students, I hope you understand.